Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are here for the discussion of Matrix Olympiad paper for stage 2 shift 2 which was held on 19th of November. So we'll start from class 6th and the subject is physics. So let us start our discussion. Question number 1. In question number 1 there are 4 circuits P, Q, R and S are given, in which we have to check which circuit gives the correct direction of flow of electron and current. So in circuit P and Q, both are open circuits, so there will be no flow of current, so both are incorrect. In circuit R, we can see the electron is exiting from positive terminal, which is not true. Okay. In circuit S, electron is emitting from negative terminal and the current is leaving from positive terminal, which is a correct option. So option D is our correct answer. Next, question number 2. Okay. In question number 2, which of the following statement is true or false? Displacement is the shortest distance between two points, which is a true statement. Light ray always travel in a straight line. This is also a true statement. Direction of electric current is conventionally taken as the direction of motion of electrons. This is a false statement because conventional direction is the direction of positive charge. Okay, so correct code is, this is a false statement. So the correct answer is true, true, false. So option B is our correct answer. Next, question number 3. We have to match the column 1 with column 2. Transparent object. A colorless glass is a transparent object. Translucent object. An oil paper is a translucent object. Opaque object. A book is a opaque object. So correct code is 312. That is option B is our correct answer. Next question, question number 4. In question number 4, there is a diagram given here and we have to give the answer. What is the apparent length of the pencil seen by observer? We can see the apparent length is seen from this point to this point. So we know that this is 10, this is 10 and this is also 10. That means 30, this is 5, this is 35. Okay, and this is 3, that means it becomes 38 millimeter. That is option C is our correct answer. Next question. In next question, same diagram is given here and it is asked what is the actual length of pencil. So we can see from 1 to 2, this is 10, 20 and 30. That means 30 millimeter is the correct answer. Okay. Question number 6. In question number 6, there are 3 identical bulbs X, Y and Z which are connected in series with the help of these batteries, and in this question we may have more than one correct answer. So let us check which of the following statement is correct regarding them. All 3 bulbs are in series combination. That is a correct answer. If Z bulb is removed, then bulb X will glow brighter. So this is a wrong answer because if Z is removed, then in that case circuit become open and there is no current through the circuit. So X and Y will not glow. If Z is removed, the bulb X and Y will not glow, as we have earlier discussed. This is true statement. The given circuit is a closed circuit. Yes, it is also correct statement. That means A, C, D is our correct answer. Okay. Question number 7. In this also, we may have more than one answer. Okay. Which of the following statement about pinhole camera are correct? So it produces an upside down image of an object. This is a correct answer. It does not have a screen. This is not true. It does have a screen. It works because light travel in straight line. This is also a true statement. It forms virtual and colorless shadow of object. This is false. So correct answer is A and C. So we have discussed all the questions of physics portion. For more information regarding Matrix Olympiad like result and award ceremony, please press the bell icon and subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone. Now we will discuss the chemistry portion of class 6th. Let's see the question. The question is, which of the following statement is or are true or false? Let's see the statement. First statement is, hemp fibers are obtained from the leaves of its plant. No, it's completely wrong statement. Hemp fibers are obtained from the stem of the plants, not leaf. So the first statement is the false statement. Now let's see the second. Second is, examples of bast fibers are jute, hemp, and sisal. Generally, bast fibers are the fibers which are obtained from the stems. So jute, hemp, flax, these type of the fibers are the bast fibers, not sisal, because sisal is obtained from the leaves. So this is also a false statement. Now let's see the third. Third is silk cotton is obtained from silky hair that surround the seeds of the kapok trees. It's a completely true statement. Okay, so now let's see the answer. First statement is false, second is false, and third is true statement. So the option C is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is match column first with column second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Okay, now let's see the column first. In the column first, P is difference in weight, Q is immiscibility, and R is considerable difference in the boiling point. Now let's see the column second. In the column second, first is separating funnel, R, second is distillation, and third is winnowing. Okay, so now let's see the column first again. If there is a difference in the weight of the two substances, so it can easily separated by the process winnowing. Okay, now let's see the Q, immiscibility. If the two substances or two mixtures are immiscible in each other, so they can easily separated by the separating funnels. Okay, now let's see the R, considerable difference in the boiling point. If there is a considerable difference in the boiling points, so they can separate it by the distillation, and if there is a difference in the boiling point below 25 degree, so they can separate it by the fractional distillation. Okay, so P match with third option, Q match with first option, and R match with second option. 3, 1, 2. So the B is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is read the given passage where few words have been italicized. Now let's see the paragraph. Jute is a summer season crop. Yes, jute is a summer season crop and grows best in the alluvial soil, or we can say black soil. Jute plants are harvested before flowering. No, it's a wrong statement, or we can say it's a wrong line. Jute plants are harvested after flowering, not before flowering. After harvesting, the stalks of plants are tied into bundles and soaked in alkali. This is right statement for few days. These leads to softening of tissues so that fibers get easily separated. Now the next is the process is called ginning. No, the process is not called ginning. The process is called retting. Okay. Now let's see the remaining question. The fibers are then washed in water. Yes, they are washed in water and hang up to dry. Okay. Now let's see the question. Select the correct option regarding this. Option A is summer should be replaced by winter and alluvial soil should be replaced by its correctly matched. No, it's a wrong statement. Now let's see. Before should be replaced by after. Before should be replaced by after, and ginning should be replaced by retting. Yes, this is a true statement. B is a right answer. Position of alkali and water should be interchanged. No, there is no need to interchange the alkali and water position. Now let's see. There is none of this. So option B is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is which type of soil is suitable for growing cotton? A, red soil, B, yellow soil, C, black soil, and D, brown soil. So which type of soil is suitable for growing cotton? Generally, alluvial soil or black soils are suitable for growing cotton because they have the tendency to retain or collect the water holding capacity. So the option C is the right option for this question. Let's see the question. The question is, a few mixtures are given below. First is alloys. Second is oil-water mixture. Third is air. Fourth is smoke. Fifth is solution of sugar in water. And sixth is mist. Now see the question. Which of the following options correctly classified these mixtures as homogeneous mixture? Now let's see the option. According to options, a first solution is a homogeneous mixture. First is alloy. Alloys are the homogeneous mixture of two different metals. So this is a right option. Now let's see the B option. According to B, fifth is also a homogeneous mixture. Fifth is a solution of sugar in water. We know that when we put sugar in water, then it completely dissolves in water and form a true solution, and that true solution is homogeneous in nature. So the option B is also a right option. Now let's see the C. C is third. Third means air. Yes, air is also a homogeneous mixture of different gases. So C is also a right option. Now let's see the last, D, second. Second is oil and water mixture. No, oil and water mixture is not a homogeneous mixture. It is a heterogeneous mixture. When we put oil in the water, then because of the less density of oil, it floats on the water, and there are the two different layers is present and in that solution. So the option second is not a homogeneous mixture. It is a heterogeneous mixture. So option D is the wrong option. So option A, B and C are the right answers for this question. Now let's see the last question. The question is, substance P has rough texture, Q is lustrous, while R floats on water. So P, Q and R could be. Okay. Now let's see the options. Option A is paper. Paper doesn't have rough surface, it is not lustrous, and it can't able to float on water. So this is a wrong statement or wrong option. Now let's see the second, jute bags. Jute bag has rough texture. So this is a right option. Next is wooden ball. Wooden ball is floats on the water. So this is also a right option. Now let's see the D, steel spoon. We know that steel spoon are made up by any metals, and metal have the property that is known as the lustrous. Okay, so the steel spoons are lustrous in nature. So the option B, C and D are the right options for this question. Thank you.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about Matrix Olympiad paper solution for class 6th and biology portion. Let's start. First question for biology. Which of the following joint allow the greatest freedom of movement? Allow the greatest freedom of movement. Like this one. Greatest freedom of movement. But in this case, only 180-degree movement. So, option A, B, C and D. Which one is correct for this? I think last option, ball and socket joint, is right. This one is right because show 360 moment. That is right. Next one is, which of the following statements are true and false? First one is, low level of sodium in blood cause hyponatremia. That is right. True. Next one is, deficiency of vitamin E cause nerve disorder and muscle weakness. That is right. Next one is, deficiency of vitamin B1 cause beriberi. Right. True. And option B is the right for true. Next question. Match the column first and second with the skeletal system. Show PQRS mentioned in skeletal system and match the column second. Which one is correct? Wow. P. P is the ball and socket joint. So, second is right for P. Next, R and Q. Q here. Q present at the joint knee. Knee. His joint only 180 degree. So that is right. Q, his joint, and R. R is pivot joint. That is this one, pivot joint. P second. P, Q third. R first. So right answer for this 2, 3, 1, A. A is the right answer for 16th. Next question. Our food consists of carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, so many things, and P. Carbohydrate contain carbon, hydrogen, and Q. Protein, if deficient in diet, can lead R in the children below 1 year of age. Deficiency of vitamin A can lead S. Select the incorrect statement regarding PQRS. PQRS. P can either be mineral or roughage. P. Vitamin and mineral and roughage. That is right. Incorrect. But this one is right. Q is oxygen. Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. That is right. Next one is S can be night blindness. Lead to S. Vitamin A. That is right, because responsible vitamin A for night blindness. Next, R is plagra. But according to protein, that is wrong. So option D is the right answer for this 70th question. Next one is, which of the following food component does not provide any nutrients? Carbohydrate, water, vitamin, and minerals. According to question, water is the right answer because water does not provide any nutrient. Carbohydrate provide, vitamin provide, minerals provide, but water cannot provide any nutrient. Option B is the right answer for this. Study the Venn diagram. Select the correct statement. Type of vitamin Q, P. P include in vitamin and water soluble, and also in need to regularly supplied through food. P could be a vitamin, yes, that help keep gums healthy. That's right. Option A is right. Q could be a vitamin. Types of vitamin help to build strong bone and teeth. That's right. Next one is P could be a vitamin that help in clotting of blood, but there are no vitamin that help in clotting of blood. That's wrong. Deficiency of P could cause scurvy, and that of Q cause prolonged bleeding. That's right. So A, B, D is right and C is wrong. But here correct option. So multiple option A, B and D is right answer for 19th. Next question. Refer to given statements and select the option that correctly fill the blanks in any two of them. First, stamens form the dash reproductive part of a plant. Stamen form the dash reproductive part of a plant, that is male. Stamen is male reproductive part of a plant. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Next, pea plant has complete flower. Next, dash is a short stalk that attach leaf to the stem, that is petiole. Now, which one is correct for multiple? Male first, right. Second, mineral, right. Option A is right according to options, according to this one. Next, second, mineral, but here starch and incomplete, that is wrong. Next one is third is complete, but style present in stigma, style, ovary in female part, so that wrong. And next, male and petiole, that right. So option A and D right for this. These are the all biology solution for class 6th. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Let's continue the solution of Olympiad paper. Now here we are going to solve part 4th of this paper, that is of mathematics. Here comes the first question of this part, that is, the student in a class can be divided into groups of 2, 3, 5 and 6. What is the least number of students this class can have? So here we have to find out the least number of students. So for that we are going to take the LCM of 2, 3, 5 and 6. So here we get 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 and that is equal to 30. So the answer is 30 students this class can have. So here option B is the correct answer. Now let's move on to the next question. The next question is question number 22. 950 crankcases are manufactured every day in a factory. How many such cases will be manufactured altogether in the months of October, November and December? So here what we have to do, we have to find out first the number of days. So here October has 31 days plus November has 30 plus December has 31. So the number of days are 92 days. So here what we have to find out? We have to find out how many such cases will be manufactured altogether in the month of October, November and December. So the number of days are 92 and in one day we are having 950 crankcases. So here we will going to multiply 92 by 950. So the answer is 87,400. So here out of these 4 options we can say that option D is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. Now the next question is question number 23. A milkman supplies 34 liters of full cream milk and 54 liters of toned milk every day in Palam Vihar. The next is the toned milk cost 48 rupees per liter and full cream cost rupees 56 per meter. How much money the milkman will earn in the month of June? So in the month of June we know that number of days are 30. Now let's find out the cost of toned milk and full cream milk. So here the cost of full cream milk is 34 multiplied by 56, that is equal to 1904. For toned milk, 54 multiplied by 48. So here we get it's 2592. Now we have to find out how much money the milkman will earn in the month of June. So here 30 multiplied by 1904 plus 2592. So here after calculation we get 1,34,880. So here total money earned by a milkman is 1,34,880. So option B is the correct answer. Now let's solve the next question. Question number 24. The given figure is made up of one big square of side 5 cm and 3 identical small square of side x cm. Find the parameter of the given figure in terms of x. So here we have to find out the parameter. So to find out the parameter of irregular shape, we know that to find out the parameter, we have to add all the sides. So here sum of all sides is equal to the parameter of an irregular shape. So here we have x, this is x, this one is also x, and this is 5 minus x. This one is 5 minus x, 5 minus x. Here we have 5 minus x, 5 minus x, 5 minus x and 5. So we are going to write down 5 plus 5 minus x multiplied by 3 because this is 3 times. Now going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9x. So here we get 5 plus 5. So here we get 5 plus 15 minus 3x plus 9x. So 20 plus 6x is the parameter of the irregular shape. So here 20 minus 6x centimeter is the correct answer. So according to question, option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 25th. Find the missing number. Here we have to solve this expression. After that we have to find out the missing numbers. So here we have 4 1 upon 2, 4 1 upon 2, 2 times. So here we are going to apply distributive property in this part. So here 4 1 upon 2 is common. 4 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus this is 25 upon 2 multiplied by 11 upon 2. So we have now here 9 multiplied by 9 is 81 upon 4 plus 275 upon 4, that is equal to 356 upon 4, that is 89. So after solving left hand side we get 89 the answer. Now here which value we will put here so that after subtracting 4 from that missing term we can get the same answer, that is 89. So let's find out of these 4 options which is the correct value. So here, out of these 4 options, we can say that option D is that value which after subtraction gives us 89. Means 93 minus 4 gives us 89. Only then left hand side and right hand side will be going to be equal. So here option D is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 26. Which of the following number line represent the expression 0 plus minus 3 plus 10? So after solving this, we will get answer 7. So let's find out first of all in which line the answer is 7. So here in option A and option D, in these 2 options only we are getting answer 7. So automatically B and C option is eliminated. Now we have to check in option A and option D which of the following number line representing this expression. So here 0, after then minus 3, and then we are going for the 10 step towards the right hand side 1. And in the last we are not going. Here in the last option, it is directly from minus 3 to 3. So the first step is not correct. So out of these 4 options, we can say that option A is the correct representation of number line. So here option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 27. How many line segments are there in the given figure? So here we have to find out how many line segments are there. So to find out the line segment, we know that a line is having 2 end points are known as line segment, starting and ending point. So here we have in the first AB, BI, IG, GH. GH. Next is AI, then AG, and the last one is AH. Now let's start with the B point, BG and BH. Then we have I, H. The next one is GE. Then we have CD, DE and CE. Then DF. This is 16 BC. This one is BE. So we are having total 17 line segments in this figure. So according to the option, we can say that option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 28. So let's solve this question. This is 5 upon 2 minus 2 divided by Yeah. So here after solving the question we get answer -1/6. So here out of these four options we can say that option D is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 29. Sneha had rupees 40x. She spent rupees 250 on food, rupees 75 on clothes and rupees 375 on travel and received 1500 as birthday gift. How much money is left with her? So we have to find out the total money left with her. So first of all, let's find out how much money Sneha had. So Sneha had rupees 40x plus 1500. 40x rupees 40x Sneha was having in the starting, and after that on birthday gift she got rupees 1500. So total amount is 40x plus 1500. Now total expenditure she spent 250 plus 75y plus 375. Now we have to find out how much money is left with her. So we will going to subtract expenditure from the total money. So 40x plus 1500 minus 250 minus 75 by minus 375. So after calculation what we get? 40x minus 75. Here we get so this is the total money she is having, that is 40x minus 75y plus 875. So here out of these four options we can say that option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 30. Observe the pattern carefully. What will be the next pattern? So after observation we have to find out the next pattern. So here the pattern 1 is having 4 dots. In pattern 2 we have 3 by 3 means 9 dots, and here in pattern 3 we are having 4 by 4 dots means 16 dots. So here the next pattern will be, here we have 2, this is 3, this is 4, and the next pattern will have 5 dots. So here in option A we are having 5 by 5 dots, mean this is 5 and this is also 5. Here we have 6 by 6, and here we are having a triangular shape, and this is also an irregular shape. So according to the pattern, option A is the correct answer. The next question is question number 31. In this question we have to find which statement is true and which is false. So here the first statement is the smallest 4-digit number having 3 different digits is 1002. So this statement is true. The next one is whole numbers are always commutative under addition and multiplication. Yes, this statement is also true, because we can do A multiplied by B is equal to B multiplied by A, or we can say that A plus B is equal to B plus A. So statement 2 is correct. Now the third statement is all whole numbers are natural numbers. So this statement is false, because whole number consists of 0 to infinite, and in natural number starts from 1. So here the sequence is true, true and false. So option D is the correct answer. Now let's move on to the next question. The next question is question number 32. In this, which of the following statements is true or false? Here first statement is on a number line 2 upon 7 is to the right of the 0. Yes, this statement is true, because all the positive numbers lies on the right hand side of the number line. Next is, if a whole or an object is divided into a number of equal parts, then each part represents a fraction. Yes, this statement is true. The next one is, fraction 18 upon 39 is in its lowest form. So let's do the lowest form. This is 6, 13. So 6 upon 13. So fraction 18 upon 39 is not in the lowest form. So statement is false. So sequence is true, true and false. Here we have in the option A, true, true and false. Now let's start with the next question. Next question is question number 33. Here also we have to find out which statement is true and which statement is false. Now here, 2 diameters of a circle will necessarily intersect. Yes, this statement is true, because in a circle if we are having 2 diameters, then they will intersect. The next statement is the center of a circle is always in its interior. Yes, this statement is true. The last statement is a sector is a region between an arc and 2 radii. So here this is a center, this is radius and this is an arc. So this is known as sector. So this statement is also true. So here in this question all the statements are true. So according to the question we can say that option B is the correct answer. Now let's move on to the next question. The next question is question number 34. In this question also we have to find out which statement is true and which is false. So here the first statement is, we can write a pair of integers whose sum is not an integer. So here we have to write a pair of integers whose sum is not an integer. So here let's write down 2 integers, 2 plus minus 3. So here the answer is minus 1, and minus 1 is an integer. Let's take another example. 4 plus 5, this is 9. This is also an integer. So here the first statement is false. The next is, if we multiply an integer by -1, let's take 2, an integer, and it is multiplied by -1, then the result is additive inverse of the integer. So here we get -2. If we take -3 multiplied by -1, the answer is 3. So this statement is true because additive inverse of 2 is -2 and additive inverse of -3 is 3. So here the second statement is true. Now the third statement. Going 300 meters towards east first. So let's draw the directions. This is east, west, north, south. Going 300 meter east first. Here, this is 300 meters. So after that, 100 meter back. So suppose this is now the position after getting 100 meter back. Let's mark A point. Now the next is same as going 100 meter towards west. 100 meter towards west and then going back 300 meters. So here 100 plus 200 is 300. So 300 back is the same position as we were in the first point. So here the third statement is true. So sequence is false, true, true. So here we have in option D, false, true, true. So the correct answer is D option. Let's move on to the next question. Now the next question is match the column. So here we have to match the correct answer. Now in the first one we have 3x upon 2 multiplied by 2x minus 3x by 2 multiplied by 3. So here the answer is 3x square minus 9x upon 2. So this is answer 1. Now let's solve the next part. 2x upon 3 multiplied by 3x, then minus 2x upon 3 multiplied by 2. So here cancellation of 3, then we get 2x square minus 4x upon 3. So here we are having 2x square minus 4x upon 3. Now the last one is 9x square upon 2 minus this will be 3x. So answer is the second one in the column 2. So here the correct sequence is 1, 3, 2. So here option C is the correct answer. Now let's move on to the next one. Now the next question is question number 36. Here also we have to do the match the column. Now here the first one is number of vertices of a triangular prism. So triangular prism look like this. So the number of vertices are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this is 6. So here answer is 6. Number of edges of a cube is 12. Number of surface of a square pyramid is, now here let's draw a square and this is a square pyramid. Now the faces are 5. So the answer is 5. So the correct sequence is 2, 3, 1. So here 2, 3, 1 is in the A option. So here option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 37. Here we have to find out the value of x and y. So let's solve the first part. Here 30x plus 2y multiply by 3, and this is 16 multiply by 4x plus y. So this is 90x plus here we get here the answer is 5 upon 13. So the answer of first part is 5 upon 13. Now let's solve the next one. 5 multiplied by 8x minus 10y 3x plus 4y. So here we get So here the answer is 33 upon 14. So the next one is 33 upon 14. Now let's solve the last one. 7x minus 15y equal to now this is the equation. Now let's solve it. Here we get 60 upon 11. So the last answer is 60 upon 11. So here the sequence is 2, 1, 3. So 2, 1, 3 is in the D option. So here option D is the correct answer. The next question is question number 38. Here also we have to do the match the column. So here let's solve it and check which is the correct answer. So this we can write it like this: 116 plus 13 plus 6 plus 265 minus 16, that is equal to 384. So here this is the answer. Now the next one is 75 plus 39 minus 52, that is equal to 62. So here this is the answer. This is 300 plus 400 plus 900, that is equal to 1600, and this will be the answer MDC. So here the sequence is 2, 3, 1. So 2, 3, 1 is in the A option. So here option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 39. Here a paragraph is given to us and let's see what information is given to us. There are 30 students in class 6. 10 students from the nearby slum area have taken admission in the school in standard 4th. To meet the nutritional need of these children, the students of standard 6 have decided to bring fruits from them as per the following plan. With roll number less than or equal to 15 and roll number being composite numbers. So here fruit for first week. With roll number greater than 15 and roll number being composite numbers, fruits for second week. With roll number less than or equal to 15 and roll number being prime number, fruits for third week. With roll number greater than or equal to 15 and roll number being prime numbers, fruits for fourth week. So here the information is given to us. Now let's read. In question number 39, what is asked? The student with roll number as LCM of 5, 10, 15 has been declared as social worker of week. Her roll number is. So here we have to find out the roll number. Here the LCM of 5, 10 and 15 we have to find out. So here the LCM of 5, 10 and 15 is 30. So here the correct answer is option D, that is 30. Now in question number 40 it is said that the student with roll number as HCF of 6, 12, 24 has been honored to take this initiative. His or her roll number is. Now let's find out the roll number by taking out the HCF of 6, 12 and 24. So here the HCF of 6, 12 and 24 is 6. So here option B is the correct answer. Now let's move on to the next question. Now the next question. A teacher put the tip of chalk on the blackboard and moved from one point to the other. Without lifting the chalk, the shapes so obtained are shown below. So these are the shapes that are obtained on blackboard. Now based on this information, we have to answer the following question. So here question number 41 is the curve which have same beginning and end point are called dash curve. So here we have to find out which curve is having same beginning and end points. So here we have option simple, open, closed and simple closed. So here simple closed curves are those curves which are having starting and ending point without intersecting itself. So here the correct option is closed curve. That is the curve which are having the starting and ending point. Because here it is not mentioned the curve is intersecting itself or not. So option C is the correct answer. The next question is question number 42. That is based on the same paragraph. The curve which have different beginning and end point are called dash curves. So here ending and beginning of point is different. These curves are known as open curves. So here option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 43. This is based on the paragraph. One day Digvijay and Prachi went to the well and counted 8 steps down to water level. They decided to see how much water would come in the well during rain. They marked 0 at the existing level of water and marked +1, +2, +3, +4 above that level for each step. After the rain, they noted that the water level rose up to the 6th step. After a few months, they noticed that the water level had fallen 3 steps below the 0 mark. Now they started thinking about marking the step to note the fall of water level. Suddenly, Digvijay remembered that at one big dam he saw numbers marked even below 0. Prachi pointed out that there should be some way to distinguish between numbers which are above 0 and below 0. Then Digvijay recalled that numbers which were below 0 had minus sign in front of them. So they marked 1 step below 0 as -1, 2 steps below 0 as -2 and so on. So the water level is now at -3, means 3 steps below 0. After that, due to further use, the water level went down by 1 step and it was at -4. You can see that -4 is smaller than -3. So here we have to use this information. Now, the question is, a submarine was situated 900 feet below the sea level. Below the sea level means -900. If it rises by 250 feet, rises means plus 250. What is its new position from sea level? Now we have to find out the new position of submarine. So here after subtraction we get -650 feet. So here option C is the correct answer. Now let's move on to the next question. Now question number 44 is also based on the same paragraph. Here the temperature of body first rises by 19 degrees Celsius. It means plus 19 degrees Celsius. Then fall means -21 degrees Celsius. What will be the final temperature if its initial temperature is 26 degrees Celsius? So the initial temperature is 26, means 26 degrees Celsius plus 19 degrees Celsius plus -21 degrees Celsius. So let's calculate. So here we get 24 degrees Celsius. So here option B is the correct answer. Now let's start with the next question. Question number 45. Find the circumference of a circle whose diameter is 11.2 dm. So here diameter is given to us. So let's find out the radius. Radius is equal to diameter upon 2. That is equal to 11.2 upon 2, which gives us 5.6. So here to find out circumference, we have 2 pi r formula. Here we are going to put the values. And after calculation, we get 35.2 dm is decimeter. So here according to the option, we can say that option C is the correct answer. Now here the rest of the answers also we going to check. One is in the kilometer, next one is meter, and the last one is in centimeter. So here we have kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, then we have decimeter, centimeter, and last one is millimeter. So here we are having answer in decimeter, 35.2. So if we convert decimeter into meter, we get 3.52 meter. So here we have B option also. 35 kilometer is not the correct answer, and if we convert this into the centimeter, this was also not correct. So here we will get B and C two answers. According to the question, we can see that now B and C is the correct answer. Now let's move on to the next one. The next question is question number 46. Which of the following expression is correct? So here we have to find out which of the following expressions are correct. So here let's check the RHS and LHS value. Here in the first one we have B common, A plus C on B equal to A plus C. So after cancel out we get A plus C equal to A plus C. A option is correct. Now next let's check next option, B plus C. This is A plus C equal to B plus C. So this option is not correct. Now let's check the next one. B is common, here A plus C. Next one is C, A plus C equal to B upon C. So this was cancel out. C option is also correct. Now let's check the last D option. Here this option is not correct. So according to the question, we can say that A and C options are correct. Now let's start the next question. Question number 47. What value should not be given to star so that number this is divisible by 11? So let's find out the value of a star. So here divisibility rule of 11 is sum of odd minus sum of even. That should give either 0 or 11, multiple of 11. So here this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we get 7 plus star plus 5 minus 6 plus 3 plus 4. So here we have 12 plus star minus 13. So let's check the values. We should get either 0 or 11 or the multiples of 11 in the answer. So here if we put 1, then we get 13 minus 13, 0. So this option is cancelled out. If we put 9, then the difference is neither 0 nor a multiple of 11. So 9 can be the value. Here 6 can be the value, and here 2 can be the value, which makes the number not divisible by 11. So here out of these 4 options, A, B and C are not the values of star in this number, so that this number is divisible by 11. So according to the question, answer A, B and C are the correct options. Now the next question is question number 48. The cost of 7.2 upon 3 meters of rope is rupees 12.3 upon 4. Find its cost per meter. So here let's find out the cost. This will become 23 upon 3 and this is 51 upon 4. So let's find out the cost. 51 upon 4 divided by 23 upon 3. So here we get 51 upon 4 multiplied by 3 upon 23. This will give us 153 upon 92, and after converting it into the mixed fraction we get 1 61 upon 92. So here, this is the answer. Now let's check the options. Here option A is the correct answer at 161 upon 92 is in the mixed form. And here option C is also the correct answer at 153 upon 92 is in the improper fraction. So here answer A and C are the correct answer. Question 49. Here in this question we have to find out which of the following is a polygon. So here we have to find out the polygon. We can easily see that here option A, B and D are the three polygons. C is not the polygon as it has the curved lines. So here option A, B, D are the answer. Now let's solve the next question. Now the last question of this part, that is question number 50. If the area of rectangle is 52.4 meter square, then its possible dimensions are. So here we have to find out the possible dimensions. So let's find out. Area of rectangle is L multiplied by B. So for this, what we are going to do, we are simply going to multiply two dimensions. So here after multiplying we get 60.4 meter square. This will be 52.4 meter square. Here we get 126.4 meter square and the next one is 52.4 meter square. First we are going to convert this into the meter, then we are going to multiply it. So here option B and option D are the correct answer. So I hope you all understood the solution of this part. Thank you.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 6 reasoning stage 2 in shift 2nd conducted on 19 November 2023. Hope you performed very well. So let's get started. So question number 51. Find the missing term in the series given below. So series is 57, 87, 50, 50, 81, 45, 77. Next is missing, and after missing term, next term is 75. So first, find the pattern of the given series. So find the pattern of the given series. So choose the alternate term of the given series, given number series, and make two series. So first series is 57, 50, 45, and next is missing. And second series means remaining term is 87, 81, 87, 81, 77. Now next is 75. So find the pattern of this series. So 57 to 50, it means -7. 50 to 45, it means -5. Similarly, -7, -5. Now next is -3. -3. So 45 -3, it means 42. So 42 is the missing term of the given number series. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 52. Find the missing term in the series given below. So series is 7, 6, 12, 9, 17, 15, 22, 24, and next is missing. So find the pattern of the given number series. So choose the alternate term of the given number series and make two number series. So 7, after 7 next alternate number is 12. After 12 next alternate number is 17. After 17 next alternate number is 22. After 22 next alternate number is missing. And Second series is 6, 9, 15. After 15, next is 24. So 6 to 9, it means plus 3. 9 to 15, it means plus 6. 15 to 24, it means plus 9. Now in this series, find the pattern. So pattern is 7 to 12, it means plus 5. 12 to 17, it means plus 5. 17 to 22, it means again plus 5. Plus 5, plus 5, plus 5. Similarly, next 22 plus 5, it means 27. So here 27 is the missing number of the given series. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. Now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 53. Find the wrong number in the given series. So find the wrong number in the series is 720, 180, 176, 44, 40, 10, 6 and 2. So find the pattern of the series and choose the number which is not follow the pattern. So pattern is 720 divided by 4. Divided by 4. It means 720 divided by 4. It means 180. Now 180 minus 4. It means 176. Now 176 divided by 4. 176 divided by 4. It means 44. 44. So pattern is divide 4 minus 4. Now divide 4. Now next is minus 4. So 44 minus 4. 44 minus 4, it means 40. Now 40 divided by 4, it means 10. 40 divided by 4, it means 10. Now 10 minus 4, it means 6. 10 minus 4, it means 6. Now similarly 6 divided by 4. 6 divided by 4, it means 1.5. Here note 1.5. It means wrong term of the given series is 2. 2 is the wrong term of this given series. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. Now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 54. Find the missing term in the series given below. So series is BXG ETL HPN KLP and next is missing. So find the missing term of the given alphabet series. So choose the first alphabet of each term. Choose the first alphabet of each term. So first alphabet of each term is B. Now next is E. Now next is H. Now next is K. And next is missing. So find the pattern of this alphabet series. So B, position of B in English alphabet is 2. Position of E in English alphabet is 5. Position of H in English alphabet is 8. Position of K is 11. So pattern is 2, 5. It means plus 3. 5 plus 3, it means 8. 8 plus 3, it means 11. Now 11 plus 3, it means 14. So N. So position of N in English alphabet is 14. So first letter of the missing term is N. Now choose second alphabet of each term. Second alphabet of each term and make a new alphabet series. So series is X, T, P, L and next is missing. So position of X in English alphabet is 24. Position of T is 20. Position of P is 16. Position of L is 12. So 24 to 20, it means minus 4. 22, 16, it means minus 4. 16 to 12, it means minus 4. Similarly, 12 minus 4, it means 8. So H, position of H in English alphabet is 8. So second alphabet of the missing term is H. Now take third letter of each term. Now take third letter of each term. So it means J, L, N, P, and next is missing. So position of J in English alphabet is 10. Position of L is 12. Position of N is 14. Position of P is 16. So pattern is 10 to 12, it means plus 2. 12 to 14, it means plus 2. 14 to 16, plus 2. Now 16 plus 2, it means 18. So R, position of R in English alphabet is 18. So third alphabet of the missing term is R. So missing term is NHR. So NHR is the next term of the given alphabet series. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 55. A boy runs 20 kilometers towards north and turns to right and runs 10 kilometers. Then he turns to right and runs 9 kilometers. Again he turns to right and runs 5 kilometers. After this he turns to left and runs 15 kilometers. And finally he turns to right and runs 9 kilometers. Now in which direction is he from the starting point? So before starting this question, we should know that there are 4 types of main direction. One is east, this is north, this is west, and this is south. And there are 4 types of cardinal direction. This is northeast, this is known as southeast, this is known as southwest, and this is known as northwest. So according to question, A boys, let's suppose A is the starting point of boy. Now a boy runs 20 kilometers towards north. He runs 20 kilometers towards north and turns right and runs 10 kilometers Now then he turns to right. Now again he turns to right and runs 9 kilometers Again he turns to right. And run 5 kilometers After this he turns to left. And runs 15 kilometers Finally he turns to right. And runs 9 kilometers Let's suppose B is the end point of boy. Now in which direction is he from the starting point? A is the starting point of boy and B is the end point of boy. Now find the direction of B with respect to A. So this is the south of A and this is the west of A. So B is in southwest of the starting point A. So B is in southwest of the starting point. So southwest, it means option D. Option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer of this question. Now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 56. Raj is 27 place from left and in the row of 44 boys. Arun is 15 from the right and in the same row. Now how many boys are there between them in the row? So total number of boys is equals to 44. Position. So this is the left of the row and this is the right of the row. Now position of Raj from the left is 27. Position of Raj from the left is 27. Here is Raj. And position of Arun is 15 from the right. Position of Arun from the right is 15. in the same row. Now, how many boys are there between them, between Raj and Arun? So find the number of mid person between Raj and Arun. So find number of mid person. There are two conditions. If total is greater than to left position of the first person plus right position of the second person, then number of mid person is equals to total minus left position of the first person plus right position of the second person. And if left position of the first person plus right position of the second person is greater than to total, then number of mid person is equals to left position of first person plus right position of second person minus total minus 2. So here total is equals to 44 and left position plus right position. So left position of Raj is 27 plus right position of Arun is 15. So 27 plus 15, it means 42. So here total is greater than to left position plus right position. It means number of mid person is equals to total minus left plus right, left position of first person and right position of the second person. So here total is equals to 44 minus left position of first person is 27 plus right position of second person is equals to 15. So 44 minus 27 plus 15, it means 42. So 44 minus 2, it means 2. So here 2% between Raj and Arun. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. Now let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 57. If multiply means subtraction, plus means multiplication, and minus mean addition, then find the value of the following equation. Following equation. So equation is 12 plus 3 multiplied by 1 plus 4 minus 1. So 12. Now substitute the sign. So 12 plus means multiply by 3. Multiply means minus 1 plus, what is the meaning of plus? Plus means multiply. Multiply by 4 minus means plus 1. So 12 multiply 3 using BODMAS rule. So solve the bracket. First solve the brackets. 3 minus 1, it means 2. Multiply by 4 plus 1. Now multiply the numbers. So 12 multiply by 2, it means 24. 24 multiply by 4 plus 1. So 24 multiply by 4. It means 96 plus 1. It means 97. So 97 is the correct value of the given equation. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So now let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 58. Find the mirror image of the given figure below. So find the mirror image of the given figure. So in the mirror image, this part is near the mirror. So it will remains near the mirror in the mirror image. So mirror image of the given question look like as follows. And mirror image of this part look like as follows. So this is the correct mirror image of given figure. So here option B is the correct mirror image of the given figure. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Now let's move on to the next question. Which of the option is exactly the voter image of the given figure? So find the voter image of the given figure. So figure is GROUP and number is 9, 4 and 6. So find the voter image of the given figure. So voter image of the given figure look like as follows. this number is near the voter, so it will near the voter in the voter image. So first find the voter image of 9. So voter image of 9 look like as follows. Now find the voter image of 4. So voter image of 4 look like as follows. Now find the voter image of 6. So voter image of 6 look like as follows. Now find the voter image of G, because numbers, the alphabets are away from the voter, so it will remains away from the voter in the voter image. Then find the voter image of G. So voter image of G look like as follows. Now find the voter image of R, voter image of R. Now find the voter image of O, voter image of U, and voter image of P. So this is the correct voter image of the given figure. So here option C is the correct voter image of the given figure. So right answer is option C. Now let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 60. Choose a figure which would most closely resembles the unfolded from a figure Z. Now find the unfolded figure. Now it means find the figure of X, because X represents unfolded paper. So unfold the paper in the same sequence in which it was folded and find the mirror image in each case. So when we unfold Z, then we got Y. Now we unfold Y, then we got X, and X represents unfolded paper. So find first unfold the Z, and this arrow shows the direction of fold. So first unfold the Z. When unfold the Z, it look like as follows. When unfold the Z, it's represent Y. It's represent Y. Now unfold the Y. Now unfold the Y, it's represent X. When we unfold Y, it look like as follows. It's represent X, and X represents unfolded paper. So here figure 2 represents correct unfolded paper of Z. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Okay, thank you everyone.